Thanksgiving in America. And now England is started doing this Thanksgiving. So you know, they cook their turkey and they have a lot of roast stuff and a lot of things coming on. Do you want me to show you how to do your Thanksgiving turkey? Please leave your comments below, and I will definitely get the biggest turkey we can think of, and I will definitely do a turkey for Thanksgiving Day, just to support and to share with my fans them. But if you want me to do and show you how to marinate that turkey and make it being a special turkey recipe for Thanksgiving Day, let me know, because if I doesn't know, I can't prepare it. So let me know, guys. Please leave your comments below about this Thanksgiving turkey, this Thanksgiving Day, tips, ideas and ways how you can do your turkey at home. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and hopefully will subscribe, leave your comments, and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and also share the video. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and 50% off my cookbook and Black Friday Day. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.